Hi viewers, in this video we are going to learn what is secondary data and what are secondary data collection methods. So in our previous video we have how primary data definition and the collection methods of primary data. So secondary data is the data which has been already collected and recorded is called as secondary data. So the data which has collected by somebody and if it is recorded, then that type of data is called as secondary data. So these are the secondary data collection methods. All government publications and all government records or reports are comes under secondary data. For example, the census population study taken by the government is comes under secondary data, and the books which we are reading and the textbooks, they are already recorded, so that is the source of secondary data. Journals and research articles are already researched and they are published, so those comes under secondary data. Then websites and internet sources, we are searching in Google search and in chat GPT and so on. So the data which we are getting from those internet sources is nothing but secondary data. The newspapers and magazines, newspapers data is the data which has happened yesterday, the information. So newspapers and magazines are secondary data sources. And company records and reports, for social sciences research, the company records comes under secondary data. Thesis and dissertation, the MPhil students, PhD students, they'll do this research work and they'll present or publish in the form of thesis or dissertation. So these are all comes under secondary data, and this is the secondary data definition and sources of secondary data or secondary data collection methods. Thank you.